Hey guys, and welcome back to Split Second Science. Today we will be discussing two interesting futuristic technologies, wormholes and warp drives. Both of these technologies allow for faster than light travel by an immense amount. The way they work is by bending space-time, making distances shorter. Let me explain. So, as you can see here, I'm opening up paint. Let's pretend that this black line is the fabric of space and time. Normally, you would have to go from point A to point B. But with warp drives and wormholes, it brings the 2 points close to each other, allowing for easy penetration directly through them. A civilization tens of thousands of years more advanced than us could potentially harness this energy, allowing them to, if they can bend space-time good enough, travel at millions or even billions of times the speed of light. Now, in my opinion, warp drives and wormholes would be used for two different purposes. Warp drives would be used for faster-than-light travel, and wormholes for faster-than-light communication, because sending a human through a wormhole is, well, risky, to say the least. A type Kardashev 3 civilization would potentially be able to create warp drives that can go 10 million times light speed, which is 1.86 trillion miles per second. This means that they could traverse the entire galaxy within 3 days, and may have wormholes that can allow for signals to be transmitted at hundreds of billions of times light speed. This means that you could transmit information across the entire galaxy within 30 seconds. So, you could exchange voicemails or text with your friend across the galaxy and have a mostly real-time conversation with your other friend who is a tenth across it. Could you imagine? You could have a fully real-time conversation with someone who is orbiting a distant star. Not only that, but remember that friend you exchanged voicemails with? Well, you could come physically visit him within just 3 days. Holy crap. As far as short interstellar distances, well, you could get from here to Alpha Centauri within seconds. But you may now be asking yourself, how can this thing be slowed down? Well, first of all, since you're going faster than light, you can't see outside the ship. Why? Because the light waves can't reach you. Duh! You're going faster than they can catch up to you. So, you will most likely select your destination. Once you're about a light hour or so away from your destination, the ship will stop bending space-time, and will go down to a speed of about 90% light speed. Once you get about a light minute away, it's safe to start decelerating. With this safety mechanism, you will never miss your destination. This ship will also be an AI itself, making sure to get out of the way of interstellar objects. Also, you wouldn't be restrained to the local galaxy cluster. You could easily explore the accelerating expansion of space. Wrap the stars of millions of galaxies in Dyson spheres? Voila! Truly a godly civilization. Either way, that's the end of this video. If you have any suggestions for either science or history topics you want me to cover, leave them down below. Either way, this is SSS, signing off.